Introduce your baby to the wonderful music of Mozart. Orchestrated specifically for your child's little ears, these classical compositions are set to a collection of visual delights that will stimulate your baby's growing mind while feeding his curious appetite. Use the award-winning Baby Genius video series to nurture your baby's development. Now available on video and DVD everywhere. Lull your baby to sleep with Baby Genius Mozart and Friends Sleepy Time. This soothing video features carefully selected musical arrangements designed to calm and relax your child. You and your baby can snuggle together and unwind to the beautiful music and collection of peaceful imagery filled with numbers, letters, and animals. Now available on video and DVD everywhere. Take your child to the world-famous San Diego Zoo with Baby Genius. This one-of-a-kind trip features up-close experiences with all kinds of exotic animals, such as hippos and tigers, polar bears, and the first giant panda bear born at the zoo. Filled with enchanting classical music orchestrated specifically for your child's little ears, this award-winning video series mesmerizes toddlers with its vibrant, eye-catching scenes. Spend the day with your little one and the animals at the San Diego Zoo. Now available on video and DVD everywhere. With Baby Genius 4 Seasons, you and your child can enjoy the splendor of spring's soft rain, and summer's vivid bloom. Then discover the beauty of fall's crisp leaves, and winter's brilliant snow. Featuring Vivaldi's captivating classical music that inspires your baby's growing mind, this award-winning video series will engage you both with its vibrant, eye-catching scenes. Experience the great outdoors with your little one and Baby Genius. Now available on video and DVD everywhere.
times are fun, and it's time the show's begun, so come along, we'll play your favorite song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Baby Genius videos were designed to capture the interest and imagination of young children. Each full-length video focuses on the visual elements of learning and entertainment, featuring images that are colorful, simple, and slow-moving.
I've been working on the railroad all the live long day. The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
My little monkey jumping on the fence. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Explore the ocean with Baby Genius. Set to enchanting classical music, this captivating video is filled with colorful underwater worlds and the amazing aquatic animals that inhabit them. You will dive with the dolphins, swim with the sea turtles, and take the plunge with your little one and Baby Genius. Now available on video and DVD everywhere.
Hey, Vinko,
Yeah, DJ?
you know something?
What?
It's great to have a pal like you.
Aw, thanks, DJ. You're my favorite playmate, too.
say, my playmate, come out and play with me, and bring your dollies free. Climb up my apple tree, slide down my racetrack into my cellar door, and we'll be jolly friends forevermore. Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his cap and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy. We out to the ball game, we out to the prom. Bunnies and peanuts and crackers. I don't care if I never get that noise. Root for the home team. So we'll just sing for it. 1, 2, 3, cheers for happy
My vehicle lies over the ocean. My vehicle lies over the sea. My vehicle lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Vinko to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Vinko to me, to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Vinko to me.
video you've just seen is part of an ongoing discovery series designed to gently introduce infants and young children to the world around them. With the help of the world's finest composers, Baby Genius will continue to provide parents with a creative line of products that make learning fun. Our collection of award-winning DVDs is growing every day, along with the Baby Genius Library of Music. Also, look for Baby Genius Publishing, a unique line of books that come to life with captivating images and timeless music. Genius Gear offers a complete line of infant accessories, including high-quality clothes designed just for babies. Baby Genius is growing every day and constantly looking for new products that will enhance the lives of parents and children. You can find our products just about anywhere, including our website at babygenius.com. On behalf of everyone at Baby Genius, we'd like to thank you for watching this video. We applaud you for taking an early and active role in your baby's development and wish you and your family all the best.